In this tutorial, we are building a journey. When a new lead is created on a Salesforce, a new contact will be saved on Hubspot. So let's start. Select Salesforce as a trigger. Then choose Create New Record as a trigger event. Now select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now choose an option for object. Now in steps, we will create a new contact using Hubspot. Select Hubspot. Next, add Create Contact as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now, enter contact details using Salesforce app data. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to Salesforce. Create a new lead. Fill in the contact specifications. And click on Save. A lead has been created. Next, go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now let's go to Hubspot. We can see the new contact record on Hubspot visible. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to create a new contact on Hubspot when a new lead is created and saved on Salesforce. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.